Hi and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a mini crochet potion bottle. For this you'll need wool in green, grey and brown, a stitch marker, wool needle, a 3.5mm hook, scissors and stuffing. For round 1 we'll be doing 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, it's 6 increases, leaving you with a total of 12 single crochets. For round 3, it's 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. From rounds 4 to 6, it'll be 18 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here so you can do rounds 4 to 6. For round 7, you'll be changing over to grey wool and doing 18 single crochets all the way around. For round 8, it's 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. Now we will fill the body of the potion with stuffing until it feels firm. For round 9, it's 6 decreases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. From rounds 10 to 12, it's 6 single crochets all the way around. I recommend you pause here to complete rounds 10 to 12. For round 13, using the back loops only, it's 1 increase and 1 single crochet 3 times, leaving you with 9 single crochets. Then you will slip stitch and leave a long tail to sew into the bottle. Moving on to making the very quick and simple cork. So for this, it's just one round and you'll be chaining 6 with the brown wool. Moving on to the last part, which is assembly. So for this, using a wool needle, you'll take the grey tail and tuck it into the body of the bottle. Then to attach the cork, you thread the tails through the remaining front loops and then pull through, and then you knot them both together and then hide the tails within the bottle. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll be releasing more videos weekly. Additionally, I'm always open to suggestions if there are any crochet patterns you would like to see me make.